Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. Today I'm going to do a review of this product, Lianhua Qingwen Jiaonang. I took it for my cough and running nose. I've been having cough for quite a while. I did read some reviews. They were saying that this is good for cough and COVID. Yeah. So I decided to try. I did not have COVID. I just want to try for my cough. This is actually in capsule form, herbal content. And each time I have to take 4 capsules, 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, night time. And I bought 5 boxes. This is my last box, and yeah, doesn't seem to work. My first box already. I'm still having my cough, lots of phlegm even after taking, and I feel very uncomfortable. So yeah, tired. Still having my cough and running nose and phlegm. Yeah. So I don't know about you guys. Maybe you can put in the review about this. My experience is not good. It's not effective, and it's not cheap. I have to buy 5 boxes of this, and it still doesn't cure my cough and running nose. Yeah. Put in the comment sections and let us know your review of what you have taken if you have tried this. Yeah, it claims that